So, meaning I'm going to be a model now for MEDIABOXENT.
Of course, yes.
Okay, I'm going to be a
Definitely.
model like this, yeah?
Yes. Today we have an animal printed 3D hoodie.
So, yeah, guys, I'm the model now for
MediaBox.
MEDIABOXENT.
Blockchain. This animal printed 3D hoodie is a great conversation starter for many occasions, like at the gym or on vacations. It is very easy to find you if we go away and I lose you somewhere on the cruise. It's very comfortable and it does not peel due to its good quality.
Yeah.
This is 12% spandex, so you can move freely doing sports or just relaxing in your yard next to the fire. It does not collect cut hair like other fabrics.
It's a good pickup line. If you want to
Yes,
pick up
conversation
chicks,
start.
if you want to pick up chicks, yes,
If you
we're
wanna
we're
pick
a
up
cat,
cats.
and definitely it's a good pickup line.
What if you want to pick up cats?
Huh?
Cats.
They say, oh, that's so nice. Look what I have. You know, you say, oh yeah.
Actually, you know what? No long ago, I read an article in what it said that that's a way to pick up girls, actually.
Yeah.
Wear stuff with cats.
Wear this cool jacket, and then that's it. You pick up a girl.
Yeah, but it does not collect cat hair, as I said. So I love this three-dimensional print of the leopard in the front and the back. Look at that. The stitching is properly done and in all the right places. And it shows no imperfections.
You know what it's good for? Now that even though it's summer for the beach, it's always cold. Now
That's
that
what I was
we
thinking
go
of, yes.
down the shore, you wear this. Perfect for those cold nights on the beach.
Yes, and the size. If you wear a small in the USA, you will need a large, extra large size of this nice sweatshirt.
All right, Menina. So see you next time then.
Yes, see you next
We
time.
model something nice next time. All right, bye.
Bye.